Hi, I'm Dr. Noel Lucas, here to answer some more questions that you might have regarding diagnostic tests for your dog. I have a few more questions that have been asked, so go ahead.
Dr. Lucas, what can blood tests help a veterinarian detect?
Yeah, so blood work actually just helps us determine core organ function and just how the metabolic processes of the body are functioning. And we can't always see that by just looking at your dog and doing a good physical exam. We actually really utilize blood and blood test results to pick apart or finesse any kind of underlying health issues that your dog might have, or just be able to determine, yes, your blood work all looks great, you're nice and healthy. That gives us a good feeling and sense of well-being at that time, and establishes good baselines for us to look at as your dog ages.
How does my vet decide which lab tests to order for my pets?
So the most common blood tests that we order for your dog are going to be heartworm and tick-borne disease screening tests. So that's a little blood test. We're going to recommend a fecal examination. That's intestinal parasite check. Those are the two most common tests that we're going to run in your dog just for an annual checkup. But a lot of veterinarians are now going one step further and recommending a CBC, which is a complete blood count, and also a metabolic panel that's just checking for core organ function. We're looking to say, hey, if you're healthy, does everything inside kind of look healthy at the same time? If that's the true, then we'll have great blood work and it makes everybody feel better. If something's starting to change or we detect a disease, we have time to intervene or to see and follow how that goes over the pet's life, so that we're able to partner with you and say, hey, we see something kind of happening here. Let's see if we can change the food or do something to intervene so that we can maybe head off an illness before it even starts. Or if they have heartworm disease and aren't showing any symptoms, we might detect that on blood work, and then we might have to talk about treating and preventing and how to avoid that dog showing symptoms of full-blown heart disease in months to come.
How long does it take to get the results back?
Great question. So a normal physical exam or comprehensive exam wellness visit that includes blood work often will have blood work that's sent to a reference lab, and then we'll usually have the results back within 24 hours. But your veterinarian still has to review those results, so they may not be in the office, or they're in the office but really busy that day. So it can take sometimes a couple days for that doctor to get to that laboratory result and actually look at it and then get back to you. But you should expect results back within the week that they're obtained, or within a few days after you have those samples collected. If you have any questions regarding lab work in your dog, we invite you to ask your veterinarian and partner with them. And if you're looking for a veterinarian in the Nashville area, we'd love to see you at Blue Oasis Pet Hospital. Thanks so much.